So, you think you can't paint, or you're not very good at painting, or you don't think you'll ever be able to paint? Well, I am going to prove you wrong today. I have just gone through, well, years of teaching, but also just the last week or so, I have seen many people do things they never thought they could before. I'm going to show you some pictures, and as you might see over here, I'm in the middle of packing up and moving on and doing some other things with my life. I was teaching and owned a gallery. Now I'm doing something new, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about that today. So let's go. So why do I feel so convinced that you can actually paint something amazing? I'm going to show you here. I think there's nearly 50 pictures that I got sent, emailed to me this week from a free workshop that I did, painting this beautiful blue wren. I have had so many emails in the last week from people who tried the workshop for the first time. I made it completely free because I want people to learn and do and create and do things that they never thought they could. I'm going to read you some of the comments from them and show you some of the pictures at the same time. Thank you, Heather, for putting the workshop on Facebook. I saw it. I've been keen to try painting for some time. I've now retired, so this came along just at the right time. As someone who's never painted and doesn't think they can draw, I'm very pleased with the whole experience and the result. I look forward to pursuing this new interest and creating more successes via what you offer. Oh my goodness. So, that's just one. Let's look at a few others. Incredible. Joining your community has given me the needed motivation to re-engage with oils and painting in general. Your enthusiasm and eye for detail is infectious and makes for a great environment to paint in. It's been so much fun and challenging with results I thought I was not capable of. See, they're just all these people who thought they were not capable of doing any of this. Thank you so much for running the workshop. I've really got so much out of it in the last 3 days. I'm glad that I followed along with you on all the days. I struggled a bit, but as you can see, it was my first time painting them, and I will keep on practicing it, and I'm very happy with my result. Hi Heather, this is Debbie from Michigan, USA, painted with you in the workshop, and I am so excited because I've never painted with oils and not taken any time for creativity. Well, my wren must look like an Australian wren because I Google lensed it to identify it, and it said it was an Australian blue wren. I love that. Thank you for inspiring me again and all the tips and pointers. So someone who didn't think they could paint painted a bird that Google noticed. It was pretty funny. Hi Heather, my first time trying to learn to paint. So much to learn. It was just good keeping up with you and finding out later we can just change things. Thank you so much for offering this course. Better late than never, learning how to do it. Absolutely, better late than never. I want to encourage you. I don't have a free workshop coming up, but I do have offer you a membership, a paid membership if you want to look at it at paintingwithheather.com/limitless. And it's about, not limiting what you think you can do. And as you have seen with all of these pictures of these blue wrens, and most of them had never painted with oils, some of them had painted with acrylics or watercolour and still surprised themselves to think, wow, oils were actually easier than they thought. And that's exactly what I thought when I first started. I'm like, I can't use oils. They're for, people who know what they're doing. But I fully believe, 100% eat my hat, if I can find one in all the mess, that oils are the easiest to learn, more than watercolour and acrylics and gouache and all those things, because it stays wet and you can go over it, you can rub it off, you can layer. It's just so forgiving. Look, that's only a very small portion of the emails that were sent to me, and overwhelmed and really just delighted that there are people now out there, maybe one of you, please comment below if it is one of you, that have gone on to do something creative. And in all this age of AI and ChatGPT and everything that's feeding us all this information and we're getting stuck on our computers and things, so refreshing to know that people are getting inspired to create, and it's a very big passion of mine. So I really want to encourage you, come and join me. If you saw all the information about it and thought, oh no, it's all finished, my membership is finished. It's not, it's always open. I just give you little treats every now and then. I give you little bonuses to join up with me, which is what we did last weekend. But it's all still there. It's just $37 Australian for a month, and you get it cheaper if you pay for a year. So, and you can always cancel. Like, you come on for a month, Phew, that's just a couple of, a dinner out, or not even that. Just come along for 1 month and see if you like it, and you can always cancel. So, but yeah, I've just been overwhelmed and delighted by the response, by how many people have started doing something creative that they never thought they could. Oh, it was a big weekend, I must say. We did something in the morning and the evening. We offered a free workshop, and but I absolutely loved it. It was so fun. I love doing the online stuff. So I was going to share with you a little bit about what's happening in my life. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Heather. I love painting photorealistic paintings. There's some little mini paintings that we do in our membership. I'll show you a couple of my paintings here of what I do. I love painting water. I love painting things that are very realistic. And I love teaching. So aside from teaching, which I have been doing for the last 15 years, I'm about to move that aside a little bit. I've only got a couple of weeks left teaching. I've just sold my own gallery a month or so ago and finishing up my teaching. And that's hard and challenging in terms of, sad to see some students go, but they're going to join my online classes, a lot of them, so that's awesome. But I'm going to be doing something different. I'm actually been planning for quite some time to take quite a break and driving up Central Australia and heading right up to the top for a couple of months with some friends and chilling out, and along the way celebrating a birthday and spending time with family. Just taking a bit of a breather. So, I've got to learn to slow down and really strategically take time to stop. Or at least slow down. I can't stop completely because my brain keeps going. So I'm taking that break up north, and then I will be doing something completely different, which I'll tell you more about in the videos to follow, which it could be really interesting to follow that journey. I'll be showing you the outback, showing you the journey along the way, and it's going to be pretty exciting. But I will be still creating, still painting, still doing things that bring me joy, and all of that in this video is to ultimately encourage you to create. Even if you don't join any of my online things, I really want you to keep pursuing your creative pathway. It might not be painting, it might be something else, but to really push into that and allow yourself to do it. If you have ever looked at The Artist's Way, I'd love you to go and find some information about that and journal and focus and think about things that bring you joy. This is what I'm doing. I'm taking some time off to bring myself some joy. In the midst of all that, I'm going to be doing some creative things. There's going to be some new things, I think, come for me in the next little journey. I love painting water, and I'm going to be in the outback where there's not as much water. I mean, there will be, but not as much as what I have around me here. So we will see where that goes. But I really want to encourage you to lean into your own creativity. And if you want to join me online and expand your painting side of creativity, do go to paintingwithheather.com/limitless, because, we don't want to limit what we think we can do. And I'm pretty excited about the future for what's ahead for me. It has definitely got something to do with painting and working with people and community, which I absolutely love, and being in the outback. There you go. I'll talk more about that later. But until then, again, I just want to encourage you, keep creating and keep leaning into those things, and don't let what anyone else says about your creativity or about your life or about who you are get in the way of you doing what you really want to do. Dig deep there and go, this is what I want, and move towards it, and you'll be surprised what happens. All right, until next time, I'll reveal a little bit more next week, maybe, about what's ahead for me. And thanks for hanging around. And please comment below if you've got any questions or anything you want to say. It does help me on this channel and helps me move forward in my creative journey. So thanks again, people. See you next week.